So let's get into mental health for a start. The first thing about mental health to understand is that so much of it is driven by diet. It's the first thing to know. So much of what we think mental health problems come from is in the brain. But where we forget is when you go beyond the brain and you start to go, well, what builds the brain? How does the brain get to be that way? It's built in the gut. The whole body is built in the gut. You've got 14 trillion cells in the gut, and you can reset them in 3 days on a fast if you want it, and even longer on a plant-based diet, because fiber feeds your microbiome, and your microbiome creates everything. Your microbiome gives you genetic expression for good or for bad. There's a fascinating study done a few years ago where they took a whole lot of men with high cholesterol, high blood pressure, on all kinds of medication, and they taught them to walk a little bit every day, eat plants every day, and have some quiet time every day. So 3 simple practices, right? Go for a walk, eat some plants, have some quiet time. Within 12 weeks, the blood pressure dropped, which is the #1 cause of death for human beings, is blood pressure. So #1, blood pressure dropped, weight dropped, but more than that, 500 genes changed in their gut, as measured genetically. So 500 genes that trigger breast cancer and bowel cancer dropped off, and genes that protected pumped up. So it was a massive categorical change inside the gut, just through walking, eating plants, and having quiet time. Simple, right?